Welcome all to Performance Management Metrics. We're going to talk here about, right, how do you manage your performance? I mean, gosh, I know it's in the name. It's the point of having a great name for a lesson. How are we going to do that? We benchmark ourselves against competitors, against the industry, against our past selves, right? We have different formulas and analyses in order to tell us how we're performing as a company. We want to operate efficiently and we want to operate with a profit. So, how are we going to do that? That's what we're here to learn today. Let's see what our learning objectives are for this lesson. Well, first, we want to identify commonly used operational management approaches, techniques, and measures within the context of business process management. You might have seen total quality management, lean manufacturing, just in time, just to name a few, Six Sigma, all of those. We're going to learn about them, memorize them, be familiar with those inventory management techniques, process management techniques, different names, different processes we'll learn. We're also going to identify commonly used management philosophies and techniques for performance and quality improvement within the context of business process management, kind of just really piggybacking off of the first one, right? And lastly, practice performance management metrics for efficiency and benchmarking purposes, processes, right? All of that good stuff. So we're going to see some math, we're going to see some conceptual, we're going to see a lot of great here. Great area for points, great area for possible sims. Keep your eyes open, keep your ears open, and keep your heart open. Gonna have some great times here. Let's dive in.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.